In this chapter, we will study about Windows 8. Your PC and laptop will have Windows XP, maybe Windows 7 or Windows 8, maybe Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest version, okay? But in this chapter, we will study about Windows 8 and its features. So let's begin. Chapter 2, Introduction of Windows 8. Main topics of the chapter: features of Windows 8, different versions of Windows 8, security features of Windows 8, why Windows 8 is better than Windows 7, shortcut key in Windows 8, playing DVD in Windows 8 by using VLC player, turning the machine off. Windows 8 is the most recent operating system designed by Microsoft. It was released in October 2012. Windows 8 provides a very different layout than other versions of Windows. It supports colorful tiles which use up a good space on the screen. It allows multiple users to share the same computer using different accounts. Features of Windows 8. Some of the features of Windows 8 are given below. The major difference between other versions of Windows operating system and Windows 8 is that there is no start button. The start button provides control to launch application, access setting or search the computer. In Windows 8 you have tiles for various applications instead of start button. It has built-in antivirus program called Windows Defender, which can also protect you from other type of malware such as a spyware. What is malware? Malware is a type of software that damage devices and steal data. For example, spyware, Trojan, ransomware, etc. Next is, these days many people save their files and other data online, known as a cloud. What is cloud? Cloud means it is a data storage in which the digital data is stored. One way to do this is with Microsoft SkyDrive service. Windows 8 is designed to connect quickly to SkyDrive as well as other online services like Facebook and Twitter. You can connect your Facebook, Twitter and Flickr account to Windows 8, allowing you to see your friends' update directly from the start screen. What is a Flickr account? Flickr account it is allow user to create a profile page containing photos and videos. Okay. Different version of Windows 8. Windows 8 has 4 different versions. One for home use, one for business, one for device running ARM advanced RISE machines, where RISE is a short acronym for reduced instruction set computing chips, and one for large enterprises that buy in bulk. Here are the different versions of Windows 8. Number 1, Windows 8 for the consumer. What is Windows 8? Means this version is for domestic use only. Okay, this version is the consumer version of Windows 8 that excluded a lot of business type features like drive encryption, group policy and virtualization. It is simply designed for home user. Next is Windows 8 Pro. What is Windows 8 Pro? Means this version is for business purpose. Windows 8 Pro is for business user and includes feature for encrypting a file system, virtualization and domain management. Pro is the edition of Windows 8 for the PC enthusiast and business technical professional. Next is Windows 8 Enterprise. Means this is a version of Windows that is only available as a software assurance benefit. Okay, so this include all that Windows 8 Pro has, but geared towards enterprise customers with software assurance agreement. Next is Windows 8 RT. RT stand for runtime. Okay, so RT stand for runtime. RT is the newest addition to the list of Windows edition. It is specially designed for ARM based device like tablets, ARM powered PC and any other devices that support the ARM architecture and are designed to run Windows 8 RT. You won't be able to purchase it on its own. It will come pre-installed on PC and tablet that run ARM processor. Next is security features in Windows 8. Windows 8 uses a wide variety of tools to protect us from virus, malware and other malicious applications that could harm our computer. Many of these services run in the background, so we may not even notice that they are constantly working to keep us safe. Number 1, user account control. What is user account control? Means it is a mandatory access control enforcement facility introduced with Microsoft's Windows Vista. It is aimed to improve the security of Microsoft Windows. Okay, this is called user account control. User account control warns us when a program or user attempt to change our computer setting. Our screen will be temporarily locked until an administrator can confirm the changes. This helps to protect our computer against malicious software and accidental changes. User account control also allows us to decide how often we will receive these warnings. Next is Windows Defender. What is Windows Defender? Means it is an antivirus or anti-malware component of Microsoft Windows. For example, Quick Heal, Norton Security, etc. Okay, so Windows Defender provides antivirus and malware protection to our computer. In addition to scanning our computer for potentially harmful applications, Windows Defender also provides real-time protection, double-checking each file or application we open without slowing down our computer. Next is Windows Smart Screen. Whenever our computer detects a security threat from a file or application, Windows Smart Screen will notify us with a full screen warning. Whenever we see this warning screen, we should choose not to open the file or application unless we can verify that it will not damage our computer. Next is Windows Firewall. By default, Windows 8 will protect our internet connection with Windows Firewall. A firewall prevents unauthorized access from external connection and helps to protect our network from threat that could harm our computer. Means it is a program that protect your home network and keep your data secure from internet threat. Next is why Windows 8 is better than Windows 7. Windows 8 look quite different from Windows 7. This is because it is designed to also work with touchscreen computer and tablet. There are some of the reason why Windows 8 is better than Windows 7. Number 1, probably one of the biggest appeal of Windows 8 is that it's a touch based operating system that combines all of these appealing aspects of the tablet experience with the high performance element of a fully functional laptop. Second, nobody likes waiting around for their operating system to boot up, but a lot of people have come to accept this as a fact of life. When you download Windows 8, lost time may become a non-issue thanks to a much faster startup time that put even Windows 7 to shame. Point third, one of the best bits of news about Windows 8 is it's likely compatible with software and program that you have used to running on Windows 7. This means that if you want to upgrade your computer from Windows 7, you may not have any issue running your app and program. Even if you have never used Windows 7 and are interested in moving up to Windows 8, there is a way to check and see if your program and app will be compatible. Next is Windows 7 supported touch, but it wasn't deal. The controls simply were not good enough. However, things have improved immeasurably in terms of the touch support in Windows 8. Next, shortcut keys in Windows 8. Here is the shortcut key of Windows 8. You can see. Next, playing DVD in Windows 8 by using VLC player. The cheapest and easiest solution to play DVD in Windows 8 is to download and install Video LAN player, otherwise known as a VLC media player. VLC player is a free and open source multimedia player that plays most multimedia files as well as DVD, audio, CD, VCD, and various streaming protocol. Downloading and installing VLC player is easy. Simply go to the following page and click on the download VLC button. Next is VLC media player home page. Once you download VLC player, double click on the installation file and follow the prompts. While installing, please use all the default settings and when you are finished, VLC will get started. Once VLC player is installed, you can play a DVD by clicking on the media menu and then selecting open disk as shown below. Once we click on the open disk button, we will be brought to the disk selection menu. In the disk device field, we select the disk drive that contain the DVD we wish to play, then click on the play button. Our DVD will now start playing within the VLC player window. To make it play back in full screen, click on the video menu and then select full screen. Next, turning the machine off. Windows 7 and its predecessor used to get a lot of grief for putting the shutdown and sleep command under the start button menu. Who click start to stop right. In Windows 8, if you are trying to turn off the computer or put it into sleep mode without hitting the power button, the navigation path to system shutdown is not a whole lot more intuitive, but at least it isn't directly on the start page. To turn off your PC, open the Charm sidebar and click or tap the setting Charm, then click or touch the power icon. Click on power in the setup menu to power down or restart your PC or to put it into sleep mode. With this, our chapter ends here.